We've received a lot of requests recently from our customers about their copper telephone lines being retired. These lines will be decommissioned in short order, so it's important to tackle this now, before a big surprise hits. These notices can feel confusing, and managing the changes on your own can quickly get complicated. From identifying which lines are still active, to figuring out which are redundant or tied to critical systems like fire alarms or elevators, it's a lot to handle. The good news, these older telephone lines can be costly to maintain. Tackling this now can save you both money and the headache of unexpected disruptions. Here's what it usually involves if you were to do it yourself. Make a list of all your phone lines, coordinating with the local phone companies to verify each line, identify which are actively used, mark critical safety lines, cancel or consolidate outdated numbers, plan upgrades to modern service with a third-party partner, test everything to ensure it works. We know this can feel overwhelming, but you don't have to handle it alone. Our team is here to guide you every step of the way and make sure your service continues smoothly. If you've received a notice about your telephone lines being decommissioned or want to start planning ahead, reach out to us today. We're here to make the process simple and stress-free.